This video will go over various FUDSChem resources that are available before logging in. To access the FUDSChem portal, go to FUDSChem.com. Let's start on the Home tab. Here, we have the latest FUDSChem news, the support email, and links to training and resources. Under Training, there are options for FUDSChem training, training schedule, and training session descriptions. These options provide details about the twice-monthly live training webinars. We go over them in detail in our FUDSChem General Navigation video, linked in the description. Let's take a deep dive into resources next. The FUDSChem Resources section gives us a brief description of how to look for documents, and list the support email and phone number if you need help. It also includes a link to the FUDSChem system documentation page. The next option under Resources is Newsletters. This page contains the FUDSChem newsletters sent out by the EMCX. Each file lists useful information including the title, the author, the publication date, the category, and the file size. Clicking the title will open the newsletter in a new tab, where you can read it. Alternatively, you can right-click on the title for more options to open or save the file. The search bar at the top can be used to search for a specific file. We could search for June to find the applicable newsletter that covers June. Additionally, the search bar allows us to search the contents of each file. We can search for ADR, for example, to find all newsletters that mention Automated Data Review, ADR. We also have the option to show all file types or one specific file type. Additionally, we have various options for sorting the files. For categories with lots of files, we could navigate to the next page using these arrows. Alternatively, we could change the number of items shown to see more per page. Let's go to Resources System Documentation next. All of the same options apply here for opening files, saving files, searching files, and sorting files. This page contains the FUDSChem user manual, a project chemist review checklist, the latest version of the QSM, and other useful reference documents. Note that the user manual is also accessible after you log in. Since the user manual is updated frequently, we recommend that you always access it online to ensure you are looking at the most up-to-date copy. There are some slight modifications required for said files that are submitted to FUDSChem. Labs should review the implementation of said modification for FUDSChem to ensure their deliverable is compliant with FUDSChem requirements. Just below, the UFP QAP Optimized Worksheets document is available. This document was referenced in the creation of the FUDSChem generated UFP QAP worksheets. We discuss these worksheets in our UFP QAP Worksheets Overview video, linked in the description. Next, the Project Chemist checklist can be optionally used by the USACE chemist to review chemistry data or EQAPs. Please refer to our Chemistry Data Approval tutorial and our EQAP review tutorial, linked in the description, for more information. Let's go to Resources, Best Practices next. Here, we see best practice pamphlets on various topics. Please refer to our Best Practices playlist, which is linked in the description below, for more information about the pamphlets found here. Lastly, let's visit Resources, Presentations. This section includes slides from various presentations. Some are directly related to FUDSChem, while others present information that is not FUDS specific. For example, This presentation on laboratory limits is a great reference for better understanding how limits are established. Next, let's go to the Support tab. Here, you can find the FUDSChem support email address and phone number, as well as required information for setting up a new account. It also includes troubleshooting tips for logging in. Last is the About tab, which gives more information about FUDSChem. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.